Other things you might hear about henna is that it might melt your hair off or it might dry your hair out and cause all this breakage and all these issues. Those are all misconceptions. It's because henna is not being taught how to be used in the right way, and henna is also not being taught how to use for those who have needs of more moisture for their hair. And not only do you have access to this professional level hair color, you'll get access to ayurvedic hair care products, so you can offer treatments right in the salon, and you can also retail the Henna Sooq brand of products with deep discount at professional level pricing. So let's get started, because the time is now and we have to push natural hair, healthier hair, chemical-free hair, and offering a service that clients have been desperately asking for. Those seeking out those professionals that offer natural henna hair color. So let's get started.